Ross Chastain, excited to see you back here in a truck. I know you're excited. You got Al Neese just taking a picture. What's more pressure? How close you are to home with a hometown crowd, or Al Neese all over this race truck with the 10-year anniversary of Neese Motorsports?
Yeah, Al. My relationship with Al is since 2018 when I first drove for him at Bristol, and the third race was here at Homestead. It's been an incredible journey for him and I and this team, and obviously you are a huge part of that. Not size joking here. So yeah, it's just something that means a lot when I get to come run these races, and I'll run for Al as long as he'll have me. And tonight's the first one of this year, so I'd say I'm the most relieved though that you're got a microphone and not a steering wheel in your hand though.
Well, sounds good, Ross. Well, wish you luck. Know Al's here, and everybody's going to be rooting you on. Good luck tonight.